Hello guys, this section consists of formatting dates, numbers, and currencies. Let's begin with dates. In order to work with dates, let's look at the date class. The date class is not the most convenient way for handling dates, but it is still used even though most of its methods have been deprecated. Let's see how we can get the current date. In order to get the current date, we must create an instance of the date class, and then we can use this instance to print it. We can as well put the toString method. In order to manipulate dates with the date class, we work with milliseconds. If we want the milliseconds of a date object, we use the getTime method. In order to set a date in a date object, we use the setTime method. We will attempt to print the current date and then a new date with 1 more hour. In order to add 1 more hour, we add its equivalent in milliseconds. And there we can see both dates. As you can see, it's a bit painful to work with milliseconds. Imagine you are asked to add 1 month or even 1 year. That would be too many milliseconds to handle. Fortunately, there are other utilities that can help you manipulate dates in a less painful way. Let's look at the calendar class. The correct way to create an instance of the calendar class is to assign the getInstance method of the calendar class. You can't create a calendar object creating a new instance like this, since calendar is an abstract class, and so far you can't create instances like this in abstract classes. The setTime method is also available in the calendar class. But notice, if we pass long as argument, we get an error. The setTime method receives a date object as argument. If we attempt to print a calendar object, we get a bunch of stuff. In order to get the date, we will call the getTime method. We can get other stuff with the get method, like the month of the date. Notice the month is 0 base, that's why November displayed as 10 and not 11. You can also get the day of the week, the day of the month, and so on. These formats are very used when we want to obtain certain parts of the date and also for manipulating dates.